A new leaked CAD render has revealed the design of the upcoming Xiaomi 16. The Leica branding has been moved to the bottom right of the camera module. The LED flash stays on the right side of the rear camera area. The render also shows a dual-tone back. The darker part may be a cutout for a wireless charging coil. The Xiaomi 16 is said to sport a thin and light build. It is said to have a compact form factor with a 6.32-inch flat display with narrow bezels on all sides. The phone has an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. The Xiaomi 16 powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon Elite 2 processor. It will run on the upcoming HyperOS 3.0 UI, which is likely to be overlaid on Android 16 OS. The Xiaomi 16 will feature a 50-megapixel triple camera unit, a 50MP main sensor, and the previous rumor the Xiaomi 16 is getting a periscope telephoto camera, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter. It boasts a 32-megapixel front camera. The Xiaomi 16 will reportedly house an impressive 6,500 mAh battery capacity with 100W fast charger. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.